This is how I plan to make more money on YouTube in the month of June, and yes, on this particular channel. If I'm going to be honest with you guys, in the past 2 months my revenue has been so bad. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing it with us in the middle of this video, and you're going to be like, is this possible to even earn this low on YouTube? So I said to myself, I want to be intentional. Yes, I have draft out every single thing I am going to do. My aim is to double any amount, that is any highest amount I have earned there before. My aim this month is to double it. And one thought came to my head. I believe that some of us might be struggling with our revenue as well. Or let's say you are not yet even monetized. This could be this should be a bonus on how to actually make more profit, more money off your YouTube revenue. So I'm literally going to be sharing my plans, every single thing I wrote down, and how I'm even going to be executing that on this channel. So with that much being said, let's get started. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. Yeah, so basically I plan on stopping 2 things and I plan on doing 4 things, that is in total 6. I'm going to be very brief about it. Okay, so now the very first thing I want to stop doing on this particular channel is what I call procrastinating, or let's say procrastination. See, I have always wanted, that is, I am never out of content. That is, I've been able to get to that stage of my life on content creation journey, that I do not lack content. But for the fact that I'm a type that as well procrastinate, maybe when I am tired, even when I am not tired, I might maybe get the ginger to film in the morning, but I'll say, let me do that in the afternoon, probably when my kids are back from school. Then I'll just set up my camera and shoot. Before I know it, afternoon will come, either headache, I'll just say, oh, let's leave it till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will come, which is going to be either Tuesday, same excuse. That is how I keep postponing. Before I know it, I did this thing for straight 1 week. At some point I was even like, this channel does not even earn me, so why am I killing myself on shooting video? So that spirit because I could remember when I was still struggling to get my watch time hours. Oh god, i I never procrastinated for one day. Yeah, yes, I might do it maybe once in a while, but I was literally consistent on this channel. So I am going to be stopping procrastinating in this particular month, so that this channel can grow. If you don't know, procrastination is the killer of success. Procrastination can stop you from becoming what you want to be in life, and it is one of my biggest problem for this channel alone, not even on my other channels that kind of give me good amount of revenue. So for the fact that this channel does not really do well in terms of money, it just but we're going to be killing that spirit. Okay, now the second thing is inconsistent upload, or just posting randomly, posting whenever I feel, oh, let me just post, without even following an appropriate time. There are sometimes I post video here by 7 o'clock. Meanwhile, my normal usual time before of posting content here is usually between 12 o'clock down to 4 o'clock. But for the fact that I take the channel as let me just do whatever I like. So you see that random upload, inconsistent upload, I'm literally going to stop it. So these are the 2 things I'm going to stop. Okay, now let us go into what I plan on doing, that is how I plan to double my revenue. Okay, so we're looking at my phone note together. Sorry, I'm not going to be showing you that. So the very first thing I'm going to do this month is to be consistent. Yeah, consistent like I have never been before. Today's date is 2nd of June, and I think this video might be dropping today as well. So this is how I plan to be consistent. Okay, as today is 2nd of June, I'm going to be dropping video on this channel So when next I'm going to be posting, I won't post tomorrow, but I'll post a day after. So it's more like one day on, one day off, one day on, one day off for this whole full month of June. Why? I'm trying to see if I can change my income. Like, is this bad? It is very, very bad. The revenue I had last month, hey God, don't worry. I'm still going to be showing us, okay? Because what is this video without showing you guys how much I actually made last month? Yeah. So I am going to be super consistent on this channel now henceforth, okay? Now the second thing I want to do, reducing paycheck videos. I know most of you have not really come and tell me face to face, no, because you can't even see me, or most of you have not really told me on comment section, please say you are tired of how much YouTube pays, but I can literally see it from the few videos I dropped on how much YouTube pays. So it looks like I am kind of boring you guys so much with, oh, YouTube pays this for 1,000 views. We are going to be that is reducing it. I won't stop it, no, because it's part of what this channel brand is all about, but you're not going to be seeing it always, okay? I think I will only be doing it maybe based on demand, or when I feel that there is an update with any revenue on any niche. Okay, so sometimes when you do something too much, it tends to become, that is, your audience gets used to it, and sometimes they might not even bother to click to watch. So the next thing I plan on doing on this channel is to be intentional with my content. That is, I'm still trying to kind of study the audience I have right now and what they really want. And for you to be able to do that, you cannot go and be asking your audience one after the other, hey, what do you want? Roots, what do you want? Something, what do you want? Gloria, what do you want? No, it's not possible. So for me to know that, I have to start testing new ideas. So if I want to be intentional with my content this month, I need to test new ideas. I need to try to speak on other topics for me to actually know the ones that are kind of resonating well with my audience. Just like this video I did the other day, God knows I never knew that video was going to get up to 1,000 views. I just got the inspiration and I was like, why don't I come and tell these people that you can, that is, you never know a video that is going to blow you up, so just keep uploading. As the idea came, I did the video that day. Thank God that I didn't procrastinate, because I know that had it been I didn't shoot that video that day, I won't have shoot it. So have you seen that I literally have a big problem, procrastination? Why? Because of the kind of revenue I get here. It's actually too low. But one thing I believe is, if I can be able to double my hustle, if I make $50 this month and I decide to double my hustle, I'll make higher, probably times two, or maybe not really times two next month. That is just one thing about YouTube. You can literally control what comes in to your channel. Yes, I know that you cannot control the figure because you're not the founder of YouTube, and sometimes in some months advertiser can just act funny and pay less, but you can literally control the kind of money you get through your content, your uploading schedule. Okay, so that is what I plan on doing this month. Now I did that video and it really performed well with my audience. When I was scrolling through the comments, I was like, so why have I just been doing only paycheck video? There are so many things that you guys, I feel you guys really want to know. Talking about the aspect of AdSense, designing thumbnail, easy thumbnail hack, that is a lot. I am literally going to be exploring new ideas, new topics, new direction. So that is what I plan on doing on this channel. And no, because somebody asked me one time in one of my video if I plan to rebrand. No. I can't rebrand. This channel is focused on paycheck videos, motivational videos, some YouTube growth tips. You all know that I already have a main channel where I share how to grow on YouTube, which is this channel here. So I wouldn't want this one to look like how to grow again. No, this is just like me talking to you. You can see me as a friend, as a sister, as a bestie. So it's more like I am gisting with you. We are both sharing ideas, because sometimes I go through your comments, I learn one or two, I get corrected where I need, that is where I needed. Abi, how did they put it? I just hope you understand me, okay? So this is one thing I want to really bring into this channel this month. And I'm not saying that, okay, I don't really have a specific amount which I plan to make at the end of this month, but at least my aim is to go away from that shell of what I earned last month, and that is what is going to be bringing us to the screenshot of how much I actually earned last month. So bad, I don't really have the account signed in on this particular phone, but I'm going to be dropping a screenshot of how much I actually earned. I think I still remember it's around $8 or $9. It's painful. But if you had to ask me how many videos did I even upload last month, like three or four. And mind you, the RPM and the CPM of this my channel is very low. Imagine RPM of like just $1 for 1,000 views. Sometimes $0.95 for 1,000 views. So I need to push out more content, reach more people, more visibility for me to be able to make something out of the channel. And that is what we are literally talking about, because that is what I'm going to be doing in the month of June. So just like as I said, my biggest goal is, even though I do not really meet the targets which I have in my mind, my goal is to just see growth in the visibility, growth in the channel branding, growth as well in the income aspect. So if you're watching me right now, your revenue is low, try to check out if you're facing any of these, and maybe try to work on it. You can use this month as an example, or plan yourself well and use next, because next month is far. This month just started. Even though you're seeing this video in the second week or third week, just shall start something, okay? And you'll be glad you did so. First thing first is to discover where you're lacking behind. Secondly, study your channels, know what exactly is going on. Currently, I know the kind of videos that I will do that will perform very, very well. So what I just have to do is to channel my energy to it, but I can't keep uploading that always on the channel, so that it will not cause this creator burnout for my audience. I have to also touch other aspects, motivational aspects, okay? So study your channel analytics very well, your content analytics on daily basis, and know exactly where you need to fix, where you need to touch, okay? So that is all for this video, and if there is any update, I'm going to be dropping that for us maybe later. I think towards the middle of the month we're going to be coming up to talk about the revenue so far. Just let me know if you're interested so much in this journey that I actually want to start. Yeah, so that is going to be bringing us to the end of this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, do well to make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop your question if you have any question, okay? And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.